So for rectangles, again, there are several methods, maybe the corner method. So I indicate the first corner point and then the next corner point just by clicking, or alternatively, I can, once I can put in the values. So if I want, let's say, the length to be 90, can put in 90 and then tab, and then I want this to maybe 60, enter, right? So there is the corner method, and then you'd have the rectangle method where you have the full base and then the full height. So for this one, I specify the first corner like that, and then what is my base? I don't know. So let's say my base is 50, and then what is the height? The height is also 50, so that it's not anything too difficult. And then you can have the midpoint of the base, you can have the center. So we can try this, let's say the center and then the corner. So I want the center. Let me turn snap to grid off. So I'm snapping to the center of this. So this is my center, and then what is the corner? If I select the same corner, it gives me the exact same. Let me put in, let's say, 25. So you can try your hands with the other methods as well.